Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to clear the search history on YouTube on iPhone. Watch this video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. Then in the top right corner, click on your profile or in the bottom right corner. And then click on Manage Google Account. You'll be taken to a page like this. Select Home. Click Data and Privacy. Scroll down. YouTube History appears here. Click here. You wait for this download to come up. Swipe down. The first thing to do here is to choose when you want your YouTube search history cleared. At 3 months, every 18 months, every 36 months. You choose, let's say every 3 months, click Next. And exit. Then you click on Manage History here. And you'll see your history, your YouTube history. To clear it out, you click here. It says Delete, click Delete. And then you click Delete and delete again. You can also use the Easy and Simple. It's just delete and delete for today, for a month, or for all time. This is the simple way you can do it on your iPhone, delete YouTube search history. If you liked and helped this video, you can give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.